You'll definitely fall in love with our Autumn Quinoa Bowl. Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. Start by placing your squash on a roasting pan, drizzle with olive oil, a pinch of salt, and baking them in the oven for about 40 minutes. While they're roasting, prepare the rest of your vegetables for the quinoa bowl. Once all your ingredients are ready, place them on top of the quinoa. So the roasted butternut squash, the purple cabbage, red peppers, pumpkin seeds, craisins, and edamame. For the vinaigrette, combine the olive oil, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and white wine vinegar. Whisk to combine, and when ready to serve, pour over the quinoa bowl. Give it a quick toss, and enjoy! Thanks for watching! Click on the icon to subscribe or on the video for more recipes.